Inside Science.
First, the opioids work really well, so the pain's reduced. But then the body starts getting used to the opioids. And then what happens is the pain starts surfacing back, and you need to take more and more opioids. Unfortunately, the patient's having so much access to the opioids that they started using them when they were not feeling pain. And since opioids are really very addictive, that once they start opioids long term, it's very difficult to stop. There are big side effects. There's sleepiness, there's constipation, and the biggest effect is if taken in overdose, you have respiratory depression, which means your heart can stop. So in large enough quantities, it's very dangerous. We took a look at a whole bunch of studies and did something called a meta-analysis, meta-regression. So you systematically look at all the different studies and you put them together to see if there's an overall trend what all the studies are saying. Our outcome was looking at reducing opioid use using medical marijuana and also some issues with pain, so if it reduced pain as well. Research indicates that medical marijuana may be an important tool in reducing opioid use and reducing the opioid epidemic, and that it may be viable to use for some pain control. And we found overall it has a weak to moderate effect. So that means there is some effect, but it's not particularly clear. Since it's illegal federally and it's not regulated very well, the way it's made, and there's many different types, so it's not standardized. I think that causes a big issue as well. Now we want to dig deeper into that research.
Inside Science. If you enjoyed this edition, follow us on the web and social media. Powered by the American Institute of Physics and a coalition of